How can businesses thrive while safeguarding the planet? This video explores sustainable strategic business planning, highlighting its importance for long-term success. Delve into the core principles that integrate economic, environmental, and social factors. A sustainable business strategy weaves economic, environmental, and social elements into its core. This approach ensures long-term benefits for both the organization and its employees. It emphasizes conserving resources while driving growth. Companies are increasingly adopting this model. They aim to balance profit with responsibility. The triple bottom line expands a company's focus beyond mere profit. It includes social and environmental considerations. This concept measures a company's social responsibility, economic value, and environmental impact. Businesses now realize profit alone isn't enough. Positive societal impact is crucial. The 3 Ps stand for people, planet, and profit. This well-known business concept underlines the triple bottom line. It emphasizes the importance of social and environmental responsibility. Businesses must ensure their actions benefit society. The focus is on sustainable growth. Ethical behavior in boardrooms is increasingly based on the triple bottom line. This triad includes profit, social responsibility, and environmental stewardship. It's now a part of corporate concerns. Companies aim to integrate these elements into their strategy. This holistic approach is gaining traction. The triple bottom line consists of 3 components. People and community represent social responsibility. The planet signifies environmental sustainability. Profit is the traditional financial measure. Together, they form the basis for sustainable business practices. Triple bottom line reporting measures financial, social, and environmental performance. It captures a company's impact over time. John Elkington coined this term in the 1990s. TBL reporting supports sustainability goals. It highlights the importance of a balanced approach. Corporate social responsibility aligns with the triple bottom line. It involves integrating social and environmental issues into business decisions. Companies now recognize the need for positive societal impact. Profit alone isn't sufficient. Businesses must act as stewards of the environment and society. Implementing the triple bottom line involves protecting the 3 Ps. Companies should prepare separate measurements for each. However, social and environmental impacts are rarely measured. This highlights the complexity of a green mindset. Businesses must strive for comprehensive evaluations. Measuring social and environmental bottom lines is challenging. Profitability is easily quantifiable. Social and environmental responsibilities are subjective. Balancing diverse priorities can be difficult. Companies must navigate these complexities to achieve sustainable success. Correct? TBL measures financial, social, and environmental performance. Profit, people, and the planet are its core elements. Ignoring any of these leads to incomplete business assessments. This framework supports sustainable business goals. It provides a comprehensive view of a company's impact. Axion Structural Innovations uses recycled materials. They build railroad ties and pilings sustainably. This approach reduces reliance on traditional materials. Axion's commitment to sustainability sets a benchmark. It exemplifies the integration of TBL principles. LEGO partners with the World Wildlife Fund. They aim for 100% renewable energy by 2030. Their commitment to reducing carbon footprint is evident. LEGO's efforts highlight the importance of environmental responsibility. They align with the triple bottom line. Mars Incorporated launched Cocoa for Generations. This initiative requires fair trade certification for cocoa farmers. Mars supports sustainable practices and fair treatment. They provide technology and pay premium prices. This aligns with social and environmental responsibility. Ben & Jerry's embraces conscious capitalism. They oppose GMOs and support fair trade. The company fosters climate justice and social missions. Unilever's acquisitions strengthen these efforts. Ben & Jerry's exemplifies a sustainable corporate strategy. Starbucks aims to hire 25,000 veterans by 2025. Their focus on social and environmental responsibility is long-standing. Starbucks integrates these principles into their operations. They exemplify the triple bottom-line approach. Their initiatives highlight the importance of a sustainable agenda. Businesses must adapt to meet sustainability goals. Patagonia and Unilever provide notable examples. They commit to renewable energy and reducing carbon footprints. Companies should align strategies with sustainability principles. This involves fostering social responsibility and economic viability. Begin with a thorough assessment of current operations. Identify strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities. Develop a vision for sustainable business strategy. Align with organizational values and long-term goals. Consider environmental stewardship and social responsibility. Integrate sustainability into your business model. Reduce waste and conserve resources. Foster social responsibility across operations. Create an action plan with specific goals. Align initiatives with overall business objectives. Regularly assess the progress of your sustainable plan. Adjust based on feedback and changing circumstances. Ensure ongoing improvement and alignment with goals. Keep sustainability at the forefront of decision-making. This approach fosters long-term success. Reviewing sustainable strategic business planning involves evaluating how well sustainability is integrated into an organization's long-term goals and decision-making processes. It requires analyzing environmental, social, and economic objectives to ensure alignment with corporate strategy. Businesses must assess performance indicators such as carbon reduction targets, ethical sourcing, and stakeholder engagement. Regular monitoring and reporting help identify gaps, risks, and opportunities for continuous improvement. By systematically reviewing sustainable strategies, organizations can enhance competitiveness, ensure regulatory compliance, and create long-term value. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 07484361688.